Hey folks, this video covers shortcuts and process steps for sketching. When using Photoshop to draw, I recommend that you familiarize yourself with all of the tools needed to help you work faster because it's going to allow you to focus on being creative. As you go through this video, note that I'm a lefty and my non-dominant hand is my right, and it's always going to be posed above the keyboard. I'm going to use a bunch of shortcuts, and by the way, here is a list of shortcuts that I plan to use and that I use on a regular basis. Make sure you click the link in the description if you want a printable version. When starting out my sketch, I like to repeatedly flip the canvas back and forth horizontally because this helps me identify errors in proportions. Make sure to watch this video linked below if you want to add this feature to your Photoshop. I also like to press V for the move tool so I can control drag anchor points to skew the drawing. I'll press L for the lasso tool because it's great for selecting only part of a drawing for me to modify. Later I can either hit Control T to transform, or I can press V for the move tool again, and then I could shift drag one of the top anchor points so I could scale the drawing in one direction. In this segment, I'm sketching the clothing on a separate layer because it's going to allow me to draw freely. Before merging the layers, I'll lower the opacity of the face so I can erase lines that overlap with the face. Later I'll go back and I'll click both layers and do a Control E so both layers can be merged together. As I wrap this video up, I hope you consider the essential tools and commands needed that are going to help you draw efficiently. Really, you gotta practice some of this stuff and figure out what works best for you, because not all of the stuff I use is ideal for everyone, but maybe some of it is. Do me a favor, go give this a shot. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.